Hey everyone, can you help me with this Animal Farm puzzle? Let's learn some facts. Goat. Where does this one go? No, not in there. No, doesn't fit there. Yeah, there it is. Goats, they can be taught their name and to come when called, just like a dog. Chicken. Where does this go? No, not in there. Don't think so. Yeah, there it is. Chickens are birds, but they can't fly far at all. Oh, a pig. Where does this go? No, not in there. No, yeah, in there. Pigs have excellent memories and can learn their names within 2 weeks of being born. Wow, that's so clever. Oh, a cow. Where does this go? No. Oh, cows can go upstairs but not downstairs, so don't let them in the house. What's this? A barn. Where does it go? There. Barns are places where animals sleep. Night-night, animals. A sheep. Where do you go? There. Sheep, they eat grass and plants. Sometimes we use their wool to make our clothes. Thank you, sheep, for keeping us warm. Oh, look, a duck and 2 baby ducklings. Where do you go? There. Ducks can see really well underwater. They don't even need goggles. Ah, a horse, the last one. We know where you go. There. Horses often sleep standing up, not lying down like us. Thanks kids for listening. I hope you learnt some fun facts about animals. See you all again soon. Bye bye.